How to change a tub faucet. Okay, so lefty-loosey for the tub faucet, you simply unscrew it. When you unscrew it, what's going to happen? I want to know if anything's going to leak, so I cut this hole behind the tub and shower. Luckily for me, it's in a closet, but I'll trim it out when I'm done. So here's what I'm working with. And like I said, when you start messing with things, things can leak. And I would like to know if it's leaking before I have a problem all over the floor. So I cut the hole and I can see what I'm working with. And then I went and bought my product. So as you can see, that's my product. And I have a few tools there. And it's just a pipe sticking out. And so what we want to do with that pipe is we'll simply screw on. But first, we'll take some of this pipe thread sealant and put on there, just like that. Okay, and I'm just demonstrating there. And then after we put a good coat on it, we'll simply take this and screw it by hand on there, righty-tighty. When I got done screwing it on, that's the angle it got me. So I grabbed some gloves to get it to turn the rest of the way. And there we go. Now, we want to test it out. When I tested it out, it started leaking from that point up there, which I didn't even mess with. Makes me wonder if I didn't already have a leak. So I bought this shower arm with the flange and put the pipe thread sealant around that. And then tighten it as much as I could by hand, and then took an old sock and vice grips and put on there because I didn't want to scar up the shower arm. And tightened it the rest of the way so that it was at the angle it needed. That's the finished product. Good luck.